How lucky can we be to get 2 friendly level ups? We have 1. So we roll the dice. Let's go. Okay, we get the 1. Alright, get the 2. Oh my god! Oh, this is sick! I can't believe I can't believe it, and we have just enough gold. Okay, so you evolve. Yes! Oh, thank you! We have 2 lives now. I'm so excited. I'm excited. We might actually pull it off. Buff. Buff. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And who's gonna get the juicy peach? Maybe you should get the juicy peach. You get the juicy peach. And everyone is buff. Come on. Red cape, no 2 friendly level up. I think that's... What's going on? I need help! I'm super addicted to these auto pets, so every time I play I have to make a video. We're gonna play super hard and let's go. We played this pack yesterday. I think I selected the weekly one. So my aim is to not play at all with... What are they called? Mana. No mana at all. Should we go no trumpets? No mana or no trumpets. Let's see how far we go on the super hard one. And see how we go. I do try to make a bit of editing in its video. Very lucky with the fish here, matching our name. So feel free to leave any recommendations in the chat? No chat? Comments. Oh, we were lucky, but still got destroyed. You are not allowed here. You are allowed. Who goes for you to enter? We have 1 life. This feint might be able to buff this guy, so maybe it's your turn to leave. We need this fairly early to maybe buff everyone. And we're gonna go for this. Our last hope. Save us, Obi-Wan. Is this a good setup? Before attack from 1 random enemy. Probably we need this early so I can actually get a perk. You're gonna die in seconds. You buff this guy who buffs the other 2 guys. This guy dies and buffs this guy. Let's see. Confirm. We're rolling. 23 health. Will it survive? I don't know how many bullets it's gonna have. Okay, immediately we see this one attacking. It has 7. Who's gonna get one of the 2? I think they will survive. This guy's gonna be a nightmare. But he doesn't have the pineapple, so we're lucky. We're not lucky. We missed our buff with this one. Ah, and it didn't even evolve. Will you clean? You will not clean. Okay, so we tried it. We lost. It's time for push-ups and then we come back again. Yeah, we get a nice reward.
Yippee!
Okay, we're back. Oof, these, yeah, we need to work on our push-ups. What are the rules this time? I think I'm gonna open it to have a look. I would really like to get the old mouse if I can. Ooh. So we go for evolutions and spawnings. If we can, this guy and this guy basically. And of course this guy. Is it worth it making this guy with just these ones? We shall see. Alright. We're going to put this one first. Oh, I'm going to be breathing like this probably for the next few minutes while streaming. Come on. Yay, goodbye. What a great stream, watching people be like, oh, I'm doing great. This is so much fun. Getting demolished. Fishy, fishy, fishy. I guess we're gonna go for it, no? One roll. Okay. Look how confident I am this is gonna work. I'm even buffing the fishy. We're gonna go here. He's gonna die. We're gonna get 2, 3, so that's 7, 8. He's a nice sniper, but we need this to die. And you get the 6 at the front. Good luck, team. We have to win. Hey, hey, hey. Oi, oi, oi. Well, they put this in the wrong place, but never mind. Let's see. Almost killed it. Who survived? Oh, you survived. Nice. Still, that doesn't change much for us. Come on. Come on! Great fun. What's the time? Push-ups for another round? Let me check. Yes. Push-ups for another round. Let's go. Oh, this is so much fun. Okay. Fishy, I love it. Sniper, I love it. This guy, I love it. So let's start. We're going to keep this one for the snipes as well. 2/3. Let's go first like this. This is going to be a 3-3. Maybe I do need it second. Okay. Lucky number 3. Well, I don't know if it's a lucky. Yay! Very cool, very cool. Not very nice. Okay, a tie. Very exciting stuff. Ooh. Might we actually evolve it this time? We're going to become a 4-4. Do we want a 4-4 or 3-4? Let's do it this way. Hoi, hoi, hoi. Lots of flying bullets around. We got lost one. Clean up. Come on. Okay, at least we didn't lose a life. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I think we can go for the treasure map. Maybe it's a lucky roll. None of these dudes. I would take this, but who do I let go? I think I should let the farmer mouse go. Goodbye, little farmer mouse. You've served us well. Now I have to be careful not to accidentally join these guys. 3/4, 4, 5, 5. Yep. I don't know, I'm talking fractions. I guess I'm just out of breath. This is so much fun. We didn't lose anything. Well, we got demolished. Do I want you? I think I do. You can come and help us here. Well, we're definitely losing a lot. Let's try the snail. Who's going to be my faint pet? Who am I going to keep long? But the next round is 5, so maybe we get lucky cuddle toad. No? Yay! Wow. Let's see if our ordering is proper. One of these guys is going to be hit. I don't know how it chooses. Doesn't matter. I think the order is okay. One of them is going to get hit. What can we do? Okay. Well, it gives attack. I thought it gave defense. Attack. 3 years. See why that's why important to read. How we're looking with the enemies. Do we think we got it? Nope. Nope. We be losing. Okay, okay. First, the little toad. My friend. Okay, this just got a lot better. Well, this is also a sell pet, just something to keep in mind. I'll buy and I lose the perk. I think I have to switch away, especially since we're going to try the old mouse approach. You're going to get activated, so now you're going to give us attacks. The little guy can go, unless we kick this. Alright, no, let's kick this. No, that's a 5-5, 5-4. 4-4. Yeah, I'm not going to use its buy now because it has to go. So in its place we take this guy, which is start of turn, so we need to survive 1 round. You're going to give 1 attack. So these 3, well, technically, should we make it like this maybe? Because I will probably get rid of this one. Ayo! And I'll freeze one of these. Let's see how it goes. Can the mosquito carry? It's doing so great so far. 10 destroyed. Okay, 2 friendly level ups. Well, good luck. We have 1. 14 gold spent. To get 14 gold, we need to sell 1, 2, 3. How lucky can we be to get 2 friendly level ups? We have 1. So we roll the dice. Let's go. Okay, we get the 1. Alright, get the 2. Oh my god! Oh, this is sick! I can't believe I can't believe it, and we have just enough gold. Okay, so you evolve. Yes! Oh, thank you! We have 2 lives now. I'm so excited. I'm excited. We might actually pull it off. Okay, 3. You're gonna buff the 3 above. You are number 2. You're number 1. Maybe it's time to slowly switch you out. Okay. Do we have any? No. No. Completely demolished. 2 friend level up. I mean, come on. 3 friends bought. I can buy 1, 2, and then a 3. I think that's easier. Okay, I'm gonna sell and skip. Or should I sell the little guy? Well, I lost it. It's the only chance I get 3 gold. Well, never mind. Let's go. 3 friends bought. We're gonna buy 1. We're gonna sell the 1. Freeze that one. We're gonna buy the 2. And now we just need 1 more. If I buy this, I get a new 1. So let's do it that way. Yes. Yes. Okay, so you're gonna give a melon to this melon. This is very exciting. I sure hope we had a win. Let's see, let's see. Please be someone that can lose. Yeah, it's all the weird guy like me. Come on, Melon. No? Ah! Yeah, we got a win! Friend jump, good luck. 3-foot bot. Breaking gift permanent +2/+2. 1, 2, 3. Well, I guess that's it, no? 1. Should I roll? I think we could get a lot better food than this. And we did! Who's gonna get the croissant? Well, this guy's so fed. I don't think we're gonna be giving them anytime soon. But we need the pineapple for this one. This guy maybe should go at some point, but this guy I'm never gonna leave. So we should go this guy. Buff! Buff! Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go! Come on, come on. Who else? You're gonna get 8-8. Best you be here, so we have the buffer at the end. You're gonna hit this guy and this guy. No? Yes. Oh, this is exciting! Of course it is, but... Oh, this cheating guys. Look at this. Where is my army? Come on. Oh! Yay! Oh, yes, yes, yes! Redemption arc! I didn't even know the starfish was there. 2 friendly level up, let me check. Not a chance. 3-foot bot. Meh. More like this. 3-foot bot. 1, 2, and a 3. I think this is great. Transform into a random summon pet. Who do we do this? Before attack. So this snipes and then transforms. But maybe we get a pineapple. This is a level 2. This is a level 4. I'm not going to leave this one. So you're going to be a summoning pet. Who do we buff? Even with... I think we should buff this one. Even if it just loses to the pineapple afterwards. But I just unlocked these. So maybe get a tough or something. Yeah, well, okay. I'm just going to take it. Who do we give this? Before attack. You can be a summoning pet. I'm still holding on. You can be a summoning pet. Who's gonna get the juicy peach? Maybe you should get the juicy peach. You get the juicy peach. And everyone is buffed. Come on. Very cool, very cool. I immediately destroyed before he could summon anything. This survives? What's happening with this animation? Come on. Come on! Ah, we did! Oh, boys, 3 friends faint. Of course they're gonna faint. A friend jump. Man is never gonna jump any of these guys. So let's take the glass shoes. 3 friends faint. Okay, what's happening here? It's a normal round. I can buy normal things. See, it hides the stars. Is this a bug? Are you a bug? Now it shows them. Do I evolve this? Do I evolve this? You need to go second now. I don't care about you much. But do I evolve this? I think I'm on number 10, right? So I should be getting better animals. But it survives so many hits. I'll freeze you, guy. I need to get whatever I can, I guess. She's gonna get them. The melon. I need maybe an evolution. Well, I'm not gonna get an evolution. I think I should not sentimentally connect to this guy. That's what I'm feeling. Barnacle boy. Nope. Ayo. I think I'm gonna switch for this guy. It's gonna... Do I do it now or later? Come on. I think I should do it later, especially since this doesn't give me any buffs. So who do I buff? this one, so it does more damage with the... Yeah, let's see. Oh my god, we've gone next level stuff. Destroyed. Deleted. Deleted. Why was there no summoning? Ah, we did. Oh, wow, wow, wow. We didn't get to get hit, but still, it's a great fun, great fun. 3 friends faint. Ah, I still get this one because it didn't break. It didn't break? Oh, 3 friends didn't faint. 3 friends bought. I'm gonna go with this one. And it's time for you to say goodbye, my friend. Hopefully it's not the end. I'm gonna skip. We get 1. Yes, please. One. Do I buy and sell one of these? How many questions? I bought 1, right? Yeah, 1. I can buy you and sell you and buy you. Tier 3 or lower. But wait, what's the purpose of buying this guy? I can just buy this, and because it's going to be buffed, it will be beneficial for me. No? I think. So I can just buy whomever. And it's your turn now. Yay! And I'm gonna buff you. Because you rock. Hello! This is very exciting. Look at this. 1333. And maybe hurt, give friends 3 attack. We still need to survive a bit. Do I want this guy first? But this is gonna get 2. I think you don't need to be first anymore. Does it give friends to itself? Works on 2 different friends per turn. So you can be first, and you can be first, and you can be somewhere there, but then you lose. But you lose the perks now, don't you? Okay, best we have it on this guy. He gets hit at least once. He buffs everyone else, even for 3 attack, and then this guy is stronger than before. And I don't know if you buff yourself, so you're gonna stay there. Okay? That's the plan. You can be the horse at the end. This is so cool. Sniper, be careful. Just a 7? Very lucky. Yay, sheep. Clean it. Yes. Come on. Yay! We have 4 wins. This is crazy. 3 friends faint. This didn't happen. 3 friends bought. Who am I gonna buy and who am I gonna sell? I don't want this. I prefer the faint one. I can buy this guy 1. This is just useless. No, let's go with the faint. Yeah, boy. This is great. Should I get the piggy? Should I, like, even now get the piggy? Temptation. I am very tempted. But this is like 33. I think we need to wait like 1 or 2 rounds more for the piggy. And maybe this keeps it there. Doesn't matter that this is going to get buffed, I think. Okay, something happened. And teacher, my friend. Oh yes! Destroyed! 40, what? Red cape, no 2 friendly level up. I think that's... What's going on? None of these. This one I like. One friend leveled up. Can somebody level up with this? Please? Is it time? See, I can never guess. Let's do a roll. Is it worth the roll? But I mean, come on, that's like 15. 35. These two are gonna get buffed by this guy. One roll. Ooh. Can I do it so we win now? Because if we don't, this guy's gonna bring a level 3 next round. If I sell you, I get the piggy with this. Are you gonna buff the piggy? No, you're not. The piggy is very volatile, and this one is still being buffed. So let's skip, no? Let's give it... Well, I don't think we need the attack for this, because this guy's gonna give attack to everyone. Decided. Dun, 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 dun. Oi, oi, oi. Okay. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, this is very exciting. Roll 7 times. Rolling 7 times means what? Well, this just needs one. Can I skip? No, I don't. I want to skip. Can I skip? I cannot skip. Okay. Can I roll 7 times? I think I can roll 7 times. I'm gonna roll 7 times, and it's time to bid goodbye to this guy. Or should I just bid goodbye to this guy, to be honest? You can go away. Can't you? It's gonna stop buffing. But I'm not gonna lose the little... yeah, and maybe from this, a perk food. Ah, no. Debates. But that's a sponge, like we need that. Okay, goodbye. We tried. Ooh, 1. Hey, hey. 2. Hey, hey. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. And I cannot buff these anymore, but I think we got a nice set of... Should we stay last? Or do we want this to be buffed with a perk? I think maybe a watermelon can help this one. Well, that was it. It was a nice run. Thank you. What? What? Did you see that? We were so close. Well, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely evening.